Hi everyone, welcome to Craft Our Paper Stash Cards, where every month on the 15th a group of us makes approximately 5 cards, and the idea is to use up some of the paper you have in your stash. So I have been bugged lately because I'm a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and we have the mini catalog, which only goes to June 30th, and I have been having this well-suited designer series paper sitting here staring at me, and I haven't used much of it. And I have a couple packs of paper like that. I'm like, I really need to get this stuff used. So I pulled out some sheets of that, which I'll show you as we go. And I made 5 cards that will fit in number 10. I think these are number 10, the little envelopes. I have not decorated these yet. I do intend to do this outer flap on them. I'm going to just be quick about this. I did, for all of these, I also used this Biggest Wish set out of the new annual catalog. And I actually only ended up using the dies. I used the bow ties for 2 cards, a pocket for 2 cards, and I did use the stamps for the bow ties. And then on the last card I used this flowers and leaves punch that's new in the annual catalog. There's the number of it. It does come in a bundle with a stamp. I don't have that number handy right now, so let me just show you. These are the mini Slimline cards. I kept them very simple. Designer paper in the back, which is 6 by 3 1/4. And this is I forget how wide, 1 and 3/4, 1 1/2, 1 1/2 inches wide. So on this one I just stamped in Memento Tuxedo Black. I stamped on Smoky Slate with Memento Tuxedo Black, die cut them, and these are the basic rhinestones. And on all the cards I just have the matching paper on a piece of basic white cut 6 by 3 1/4. So these are, let me just give you, this is 3 1/2, yeah, so it's 7 inches scored at 3 1/2. And this is 6 1/4, 6 1/4, and then it's 6 on the inside, and that, if I measured right, should fit in. Oh look, they have blue on the inside. They should fit just right in here, hopefully, except it's getting caught. There we go. See, fits perfectly in there. So that's what I did. Okay, so let me show you the other ones. I'll move this out of the way. Alright, so there's one. This one is Smoky Slate background. This is Night of Navy with Smoky Slate. These I colored in with alcohol markers. I stamped them with, I think, Memento Tuxedo Black. And this is Night of Navy, but it looks black on there. And same thing on the insides. This one is the reverse of the next paper, I think. Yeah, this sort of tweed looking is on the reverse of the plaid, which I used on the next card. And there's the paisley coming in from the pocket. And then this is the twine I had not even opened yet in the basic gray. And I just put glue dots on the back of the pocket. Wrap that twine a little bit so it sort of looked like a handkerchief is coming out, right? And then I bumped the pocket up. And the bow ties, by the way, are bumped up. Again, basic rhinestones. On this one I used Early Espresso to stamp on the basic gray. And these strips were actually left over when I cut this cardstock. I ended up with a strip like that. So, yeah. The paisley and this, they're the same paper. And then these are the same paper, so these have the pockets. And again, now this one, I didn't want to heat emboss, I was lazy. So I stamped in Night of Navy on white card, and I actually ended up having to cut it down a little bit to sort of get it even, but I don't know. And then these are the holiday rhinestones. Here's the Night of Navy twine in this pocket with the flowers on. Which brings me to the next card, which is the flower paper. And here's where I use the flowers and leaves punch, and I just used Night of Navy and Pacific Point. And I switched to a more feminine looking, I think, Happy Birthday. Now you can mix and match, you know, like I could have used the big happy with the little birthday, but I wanted it scripty. And I just again used, I used some Night of Navy rhinestones from the holiday rhinestone basic jewels, which last I saw were either low inventory or back order. I can't remember which. And here I wrapped twine around in the background in Night of Navy. That was the double pack that came in this handsomely suited suite, and that's still available as far as I know. So those are my cards for this month. If you're interested in any products, here's the host code to use for any orders under $150. However, there's a great promotion going on right now that if you buy $250 worth of product, you get an extra $25 free in addition to the normal Stampin' Rewards, which is free product as a % of your order. So yeah, great time to order or host a party. That special goes through the 14th of June, so there's time to host a party and get some things if you'd like to. And the other option is, of course, join my little team. Great time to join. Extra $30 for your starter kit for the same price as you normally would pay. Email me if you're interested. All my contact information is down below, as are all the links to all the other wonderful creative geniuses that are part of the collab. So please go check them out, and I will talk to you again soon. Bye for now.